This video has information about the flag person in the construction and maintenance zone. This will help to pass driving signal sign test. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos. A flag person is often provided in roadway work zones to stop, slow, or guide traffic safely through the area. A flag person wears an orange vest, shirt, or jacket and uses stop/slow paddles or red flags to direct traffic through work zones. A flag person is used in cases of extreme hazard. A flag person's instructions must be obeyed. When instructed to stop, do so in your lane and do not veer right or left. Do not attempt to go forward until the flag person instructs you to do so. Proceed with caution, expect the unexpected. Always be on the lookout for oncoming vehicles in your lane of traffic. Thank you. For more videos, please like, comment and subscribe to the channel.